Now finally we should calculate head of pump. So before we go to this, we can add one more thing. So you click here. Now we have 8-inch pipe. So here you see this is from tank, and the pipe is connected with this tank, and from tank water flows through this pipe. So we have this pipe entry sharp. We have this type of sharp entry of water in this. So double click on this and save this. Similarly you click here and again double click on this, sorry, and then click here, and now we have also 5-inch. So we have this type 5-inch. We select this pipe exit to container or tank, so we can add this pipe exit to the container, or similarly we add this similarly in this. So because we have 5-inch size here, and we can select this and save this. Again we select this one and save this one. Sorry, this is 8-inch, so we remove this. So we can add 5-inch dia. So here you see this is 5-inch dia, pipe exit to container, and save this. Now we can add pump. So for adding pump, we just click on this pipe and now select pump option from here. Click on this. Here this is our pump. So we can set here we can set different speeds. We can add head, but we only know the GPM, so we can add GPM of pump. So we have add US GPM. So we have 1200 GPM. We calculate all GPM. From here you can select the icon for your pump. So I select this pump. So these are different pump. We select this icon for pump, save icon, and now we can save this, save pump to pipe. Now here you see this pump is saved. Now we can calculate the result for this. So calculate, you should select this calculate option, click on yes. So view result drawings. So here you see these different color show the velocities. So here at this point we have 1200 US GPM flow rate, and similarly we have 9.72 fluid velocity. Similarly length, diameter, internal diameter, and all things are shown. Similarly at this point we have 800 US GPM and all are shown. So we will analyze result sheet. So this is complete result sheet. So all results are shown on this. So here you see we have P1. On P1 we have different inner diameter, length, all things are shown. This is P2. So where is P2? This is P1. So this point is P2. This point, so we have this point P4, and similarly this point is N8 is P6. So here on P6 we have 50 feet, 50 meter length from this point P2, and all details are shown here. Similarly here you see this is pump. So pump we have a 1200 GPM pump, and now 12 pump head is 92 meter head of fluid. So the total pump head is 92 meter. So this pump, the total head for this pump is 92 meter. So here you see on detail the section of pump is 0.5063 bar, and similarly here all details of pump head is 92.29 is shown here. Similarly we again see this result sheet. So these are FCVs flow control valve details is shown. We add flow control valve on P3 and P5 lines. So we add this one flow control valve here, this one here, so the detail is shown. Similarly, PRV, we cannot add PRV and BPV, we don't add BPV. These are all details of nodes. We have tank and different points, so these are different factors. These are we use only fluid, H2O, water as a fluid. So pipe material, we use HDPE pipe and having different diameters. Similarly, pipe fitting, we use different pipe fittings like strainers, gate valves. Similarly, we use different tees and all these things, and these are all result. So now in this way we can calculate head all losses using this pipe flow expert. So expert software.